Wow, no need to sum up these profits here, you can see it's golden. Hey everybody, welcome to DayTradeToWin. Here are this morning's Atlas line and at the open 2 trades. We're trading crude oil and Emini S&P500. The Atlas line and the at the open 2 gave us confirming trading signals here in the crude oil 5-minute chart. At the open short at 55.87 and the Atlas line short 55.83. Our profit target is 13 ticks. We base our profit targets on what we can realistically expect from the market at any given time. We use the ATR for profit targets. The ATR is updated for every candle and reflects the current volatility in the market. If the market is volatile, we will have bigger moves and we can aim for bigger profits. And if the market is less volatile, having low ATR readings, then our profit targets will be smaller, as the market is not going to make any big moves. We reached the profit target for the at the open 2 here at 55.74 for a 13-tick profit, and we're now waiting for the Atlas line profit target to be reached at 55.70. And there we go, another 13 ticks for a total of 26 ticks in crude oil. Each tick is worth $10 per contract, so if you only trade one contract, 26 ticks would mean $260. Let's also take a look at some trading signals for the Emini S&P 500. The Atlas line and the at the open 2 also gave confirming signals here. At the open short at 29.31 3/4 and Atlas line short at 29.30 1/2. And we reached the profit target here, 29.27 1/4. Then we also have the trade scalper here, a 1-minute chart, crude oil, short at 55.79. We only aim for 3 ticks of profit here, and we reached that profit target in no time. This is a short-term scalping strategy, so we can't expect big profits on each trade. Instead, we're looking for many small profits to add up. And as you can see, we have a number of scalping trading signals here. Then a little bit later, the at the open signaled another trade here at 29.2350, and the market made a very big move, a very nice trade. A good day so far. Wow, no need to sum up these profits here, you can see it's golden. Until next time, good trading. Please subscribe and watch more of our videos.